All right, this review is going to be on this 15-inch surface cleaner. Let's get this out of this box, see what kind of assembly we got to do. It does come in a really nice thick cardboard box. Seems to be packaged pretty well. That has a parts list. Be careful, there's parts in here. Ooh, that's nice. I don't really have to put much together. I've had these before. This one's built definitely seems a little stronger than the one I have. Good heavy surface cleaner, 15-inch. Okay, you'll get this extension wand here. This wand here. It's like 15 inches, and it comes with a little roll of Teflon tape. Looks like a couple extra O-rings. It does come with a little manual. All these things that come with pressure washers will come with stuff like this. That's to clean out the little nozzle, the holes in where the water would shoot out. I don't think I've ever used them things. Comes with a couple extra jets. So those couple extra jets will be down here. We'll go on there. Let's hook this up, and I'm going to put this on just an electric pressure washer, about 2030 psi. And you can actually put this on a pressure washer up to minimum pressure you're going to need is around 2000 psi. The maximum pressure you can put on is 4500 psi. Maximum water flow is 4 gallons per minute. Minimum water flow is 2 gallons per minute. My electric pressure washer is right at that 2 gallons per minute, so we'll try this out, see how this goes. Just take your nozzle off the end of your pressure washer. Put that on there. There we go. Just like that. It's a pretty good distance. If you would want to be closer, you could take this off, take your extension off there if you want, and it could be that close. But that'd be too close for me, so we're going to do it like that. I'd have to say this surface cleaner works wonderful. And like I said, it seems like it's a good weight. So definitely good purchase. All right, this is an after shot of the sidewalks. The surface cleaner worked awesome.